Butters? Are we gonna go see Indy? And your brother? Your puppy? You see your puppy, Titi Mama Butters?
A few moments later.
Cat comes out of nowhere.
It's your brother. Get her, Paul, get her. Oh, he licked her. He licked her. Yeah.
Oh, he licked her again.
Oh, he approves.
He approves.
Oh,
That's a good girl. Yeah, that's a good girl. I'm so proud of you. So proud of you.
Yay! Oh, Butters is already staking the claim. Like, yep, you're mine. Aw. Even though she's jumping around, she's not like jumping on him.
Yeah, she's so gentle.
Butters is already staking the claim. Like, yep, you're mine.